In 1976, the first Paul Miller dealership opened its doors with a single-minded philosophy: treat each customer the way you want to be treated. That meant treating the customer with total and uncompromising integrity, along with delivering the most value possible. Today, that unwavering corporate philosophy has come to be known as the Paul Miller difference. It's what separates us from everybody else. The Paul Miller difference is something that impacts every part of our business and goes across all of our 12 dealerships. Today, as more and more car buyers are realizing the best value is very often in a pre-owned vehicle, the Paul Miller difference has never meant more. In fact, it's the reason we formed Paul Miller Certified Pre-Owned. To begin with, the Paul Miller difference is your ironclad assurance of total transparency in the purchase of your pre-owned vehicle. Secondly, it means dealing with a salesperson who has the utmost respect for your opinion as well as your time. And most importantly, it means dealing with people whose only mission is to get you into the pre-owned vehicle that's right for you at the price that's right for you. At Paul Miller Certified, we offer you over 2,000 pre-owned vehicles of every make and model to choose from. Not only do our pre-owned vehicles look like new, they run like new. Our factory-trained technicians spend countless hours going over each vehicle to ensure your vehicle gives you many thousands of trouble-free miles. We conduct over 125 checkpoints before a vehicle is deemed worthy enough to earn the Paul Miller Certified label. Not only that, at Paul Miller Certified Pre-Owned, we don't just talk big, we back it up with an industry-leading warranty. That's another big Paul Miller difference. Ever lose your keys? Who hasn't? Last time I did, my dealer charged me $300 for a new set. I mean, can you believe it? $300. Well, at Paul Miller, you lose your keys, and we'll replace it free of charge. Look at this damaged rim. Happens to everybody. If it happens to you, just bring it in and we'll fix it. Free of charge, of course. If it happens again, we'll fix it again. Don't look for this anywhere else because you won't find it. That's another big Paul Miller difference. We'll even offer you a 5-day, 300-mile vehicle exchange program. If for some reason you're not happy with the vehicle you purchased, just bring it back. No questions asked, and we'll find you another car. We want our customers 100% satisfied. That's the Paul Miller difference. Another important thing is, we want you to know what we know. We'll give you a free Carfax report so you can see the history of your car for yourself. We post our lowest price on the window of every vehicle along with the Kelley Blue Book retail value to help you compare. It takes all the stress out of buying a car. By the way, our prices are thoroughly researched. Paul Miller is where integrity lives. We hope we've answered most of your questions. If we haven't, simply visit us at paulmiller.com. Now let's get started and get you behind the wheel of a great vehicle from Paul Miller Certified.